What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're going to show you about the baffle on the sump that we're putting in. So we'll show you exactly what you need to do. So we got the Tomei one, as you can see there. So you get this plate here, which replaces the existing plate on the sump where the gaskets go, and then you get the actual baffle itself, which goes on like that. And then you've got these little doors here, sorry for the poor filming, and the oil comes through there, your oil pickups in here, and it doesn't go back through basically when your car's moving about. So obviously guys, you need to make sure you've got the right one, because there is 3 sumps on these JZ engines. You've got the rear mount one, you've got the mid mount one, this is the one we've got. It's like JZX 100 sort of thing. You've got 110, which is right at the front I believe as well. So you've got F1, F2 and FR basically. So just check that. We've got a picture here which will show you the two different, well, it's 2 different front sump ones, or medium, whichever you want to call it. Well, and then you've got the rear one as well, so you can see there the difference in the sump, the difference in the strainer, and the positioning as well. So the best thing to do is have a look at that and have a look at your sump pan itself, and then you can go from there with having a look at which one you want. A load of people sell them. We got ours from JDM Garage, really quick and a decent price, and as I say, it's a Tomei one. Make sure you get your new gaskets and things like that. On the actual sump pan it's RTV, so make sure you got some of that ready to put back on, and your torque settings and what have you, which we'll put up here as well. These are just guidelines, so double check everything, because I'm not responsible if you snap some. Something to let you know with this guys, if you are wanting to remove the sump in an IS200, which is what ours in, you do have to drop the lower subframe, which means dropping it down a bit. We're going to see if we can get away with the not undoing the lower arms and just drop it on the coilovers, so you'll be able to see that later in the video. If not, you're going to have to need alignment or mark your alignment and see where you are afterwards. Right guys, so that's the sump down. So you need to engine mounts from inside the subframe, under the subframe bolts. I undid the lower arm and my little brace bar, and the steering rack as well undone, and then just work it down. We got it about this far, as you can see how far down it is there. So a couple of inches really, and then we undid all the sump bolts, got all the silicone off so we could do it. We've got to clean that up yet. This is getting replaced by that Tomei one, and then there'll be a baffle plate that goes around the strainer as well. We're going to take it all off, clean it all up, clean all the sump pan up and everything, and then we're going to get it all bolted up together. As I say, we've got the torque, so we'll do that as well. Right, so that's the Tomei sump baffle plate fitted in the oil sump, and the oil sump fitted back up, RTV'd and torqued and everything ready to go. We haven't put oil back in it yet because we've still got some other bits still to do, and just to update on there, obviously that'll be tested when we get to the track, but it's old school, so we can't do any other really. Have a good one guys.